honestly feel like I wasted 2 years on a strategy that did not fuck. That's not working now. So I've been back testing new strategies. I've been back testing well, not new strategies, but I've just been back testing. Um, Not even new strategies. Just trying to sharpen my strategy. So this shit's been taking a toll on me lately. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Feel me? This shit's making me want to quit. But I'm not going to quit because I already fucking wasted 2 years doing this shit. Well, not wasted, but learned 2 years of doing this shit. So it's either this shit's gonna work or I'm gonna fucking do this shit to the day I die and have it not work. Like it's gonna work. I know it is. Right? It's just a matter of time and discipline that I gotta put into it.
They like, oh my God, when will he quit? He been chasing paper, one day he'll be real rich. They like, oh my God, he still lit. He play for the Raiders, way in the field, bitch. Been get the sense of time.
Alright, good morning everybody, how's it going? So I'm on my way to work right now. So that trade that I took yesterday that ended up blowing my account on, ended up hitting if I would have just stayed in there. So it ended up hitting take profit once. I would have made back all my losses and some. But I think what I need to start doing is I get too emotional when I'm in drawdown, or when I don't know why, but I get too emotional when I'm in drawdown, or when when I take a loss. But some shit I gotta work on, some shit I gotta fucking make sure I gotta stop doing. I'm trying to rush a payout, and I feel like that's why this shit's this shit's taking me longer, is because I'm trying to force it. With trading, I'm starting to learn that trading is something you cannot force, you gotta let it happen. Alright, you just gotta follow your rules and stick to your plan. So I'm gonna pick you guys up later, update you guys on what I'm doing, see what we look at the market, see what happens. I'll go ahead and pick you guys up. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? So nothing much to really update you guys on. I'll do a market recap later on today. Show you guys, go over the market and shit. This shit looks like it's just chopping right now. I'll go more in depth in this shit later on in the video, right? But yeah, so let's go ahead and end. Damn, I got so much shit on this thing. So as you can see right here, that's what market's doing. I mean, with these two candles right here, there should be a no trading day. But we still sweep liquidity. And we break structure. But then this fair value gap entry would have been not validated. We'll go over it later on, see what the best trade would have been to take. I'll go ahead and update you guys on all that. So I'll see y'all there. Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? So right now they have us tree trimming. But my fucking eyes are irritated as fuck right now. But nothing much to update you guys on. I'm gonna go ahead and pick you guys up. Later on, I got chess today. So I'll go ahead and see y'all there.
So let's go ahead and go over today's market. As you can see, Asian session is fucking ripping right now. I was in this swing trade, right? I was in this 1 hour fair value gap. I ended up getting out early, ended up going in shorts, ended up taking a $30 loss on today. What I start seeing, or not even that I start seeing, but what I need to start doing is just sticking to one fucking session and just trading that session. And it's gonna have to be New York session, right? Even if even if I have to trade at work, I have to trade at work, because me switching sessions and all this shit is not good. It's not helping at all. So let's go to mark out today 6:30. Bam. Let's go on ES. Excuse me. All my rich as fuck. Monday 6:30. Bam. Alright, so we're gonna knock this back. I'm going to knock this back. Why the fuck is it showing me the session gaps? Let me fix that real quick for you guys. Trading. Broker money symbol. Electronic trading hours. I think that's right. Yeah, because we had this big morning opening gap. Are these weekly gaps? I'm in the way. Yeah, these are all weekly gaps. Okay, so that's what it is. So are these. Okay. Give me a second. All right. So this is what I'm looking. Well, I didn't trade. Well, I did trade yesterday. Well, as you guys already know, I traded yesterday. I blew the fucking funded. Right. I'm going on this. I keep saying this, but then I fucking tell I've already filmed myself. I'm just gonna say it, and I'm not gonna stick to it. I gotta start being a man of my fucking word. So I'm risking $250 on the account until I reach $1,000. Until I reach 1,500. Once I'm up $1,500 on the account, I'll be able to go to minis. So for now, I'm just trading micros, 250 risk, right? I'm just leaving it like that. But let me go ahead and mark out all this shit for you guys. Bam. So we got this high, this high right here, this low. This low down here. Nope. This low. This low. This low. Okay. Same thing for over here. We're going to go ahead and mark out all the highs and lows, right? This is basically what the strategy is based off of. Highs and lows in the market. Bam, bam. So down, then an up candle. Down, then an up candle. Then we got a down and up candle right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mark out our 650 range, our macro range. And we're going to see what pair gave us the best setup today and what we could have traded if there was a possible trade. All right, so market opens. Bam, bam. Okay, we start dumping. Oh, they're hourlies. Yep. There's this hourly low that got swept. Okay, once we get that sweep of liquidity, it's going to go into the 15-minute chart. Let's go ahead and see over here. Let's see if we get an SMT with this. We got these same lows that are right here. All right, 5-minute. They're different hourly. Okay, so Nasdaq ends up sweeping these lows, right? So we get lower lows. While ES is the lagging indicator, right? We get higher highs, meaning NQ is going to be the lagging indicator and ES is going to be the leading indicator, right? So let's go ahead and scroll into the 5-minute. So we could just get a break of structure or a inverse fair value gap or a okay, does this break structure? Nope, nope. Okay, so after this break of structure, we could scale into the 1-minute chart and just start looking for a bam. So this would be our high. 650 hits, right? This would be our high. We also have, there's no equilibrium right here. Okay, see if we get a fair value gap entry on the 1 minute chart. There's a fair value gap entry right here. Okay, so we get our fair value gap presented. We get buying pressure out of that. We go ahead and short off of this. And all we're reaching for is just bam, highs. Should be way up here. As you can see, we get stopped out though. Stopped out and price ends up taking out those take profit levels. So let's see what price reacted off of instead of sitting here and bitching and complaining that we got stopped out. See where we went wrong. I mean, to be honest, that would have been a good stop out for today. You can't win every fucking trade. Also, too, look at this. We shouldn't have even been trading this, and this. But let's go ahead and see if ES would have gave us at least a fucking proper, what's it called? Okay, so we end up breaking structure off of this right at 650. Bam, now we can scroll down into the 1 minute chart, which we get our presented fair value gap. Right? Now if this breaks structure, okay, we end up inversing that fair value gap. Can we break structure back to the downside on the 5 minute? Not yet. Okay, so it could be reacting off of this fair value gap. See if we gotta break a structure out of this fair value gap. Okay. So now this is looking better. Bam. Stops below the low. Targeting a 101. 102. And then leave runners. Okay. So did ES present a fucking better, have a better? Let's see. Take profit 1 gets hit, take profit 2 gets hit, stopped out at break even. Not bad. Oh no, take profit 1 gets hit, and then we get stopped out at break even. So it'd have been like a end up hitting all take profit. Oh no. Yep. All right. So that's gonna be it for today's market recap. I know I feel this shit. Oh, I'm so fucking zoned out of this shit, bro. I honestly feel like I wasted 2 years on a strategy that did not fuck. That's not working now. So I've been back testing new strategies. I've been back testing well, not new strategies, but I've just been back testing. Um, not even new strategies. Just trying to sharpen my strategy. So this shit's been taking a toll on me lately. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Feel me? This shit's making me want to quit. But I'm not going to quit because I already fucking wasted 2 years doing this shit. Well, not wasted, but learned 2 years of doing this shit. So it's either this shit's gonna work or I'm gonna fucking do this shit to the day I die and have it not work. Like, it's gonna work. I know it is. Right? It's just a matter of time and discipline that I gotta put into it. But that's probably gonna be the outro for today's video too. I'm gonna keep it short and simple. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And you guys have a good one.